Why is the camera always like, boom? Sorry. Do I look stressed? I promise you I am stressed. Let's back up. I know I'm cute now, but so tomorrow's our photo shoot day. Thus explains the hair. I retwisted my hair today while I was home with the children. So these little bantu knots will give my hair volume tomorrow. I don't even know if I'll be taking pictures. I've actually brought in other people to take pictures because I like to show a variety of sizes. You know, you got your boom boom, and then you got your little boom boom booms, you know. So I have an array of women that'll be doing photo shoots tomorrow. So that means I'm gonna have a long night. Gotta get everybody's outfits organized and make sure they're all gonna be in place on time. I've already spoke with my photographer. He knows what my vision is. And from here, we just, nothing left but to do it. Nothing left but to do it. Look at my eyes, I'm so tired. But this is only the beginning. Basically what happens is, before you have anything like this, you're tired and then you keep going and you keep going until it's all done. So I'm going to be up tonight. I'm going to be up first thing in the morning. I'm going to go check and make sure everybody's set, and then we're going to have the photo shoot. Then we're going to move to the second location and have more of the photo shoot. And if you want to, you can see what happens next. All right, well, that's it for now. I'll catch y'all in the morning. Good morning, world. Oh, the color is looking crazy. All right, it's today. Today's the day. This is the time. And I'm ready to get out of here. Got my clothes organized. Those are the clothes. Except for that green one. I think I'm gonna leave the green one. Maybe I'll take it and see how it looks. Okay, well, this is not the time for decisions. All right, let's go. So the photographer wanted to test out his camera on me. And since I was down 2 models, or 2 models short, I didn't mind starting off. But my first model was here. And she came ready to slay. I'm just behind the scenes. You're okay. So the inspiration for this dress actually came from this dress that I already had from Ghana, but it was too small for most of my clients, so I decided to remake it. More like this. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Isn't it a vibe? My second model arrived, yay! Since I was down 2 models, mommy came to the rescue.
Oh yeah, I grew up with them. Yeah, it was 3 houses apart. Yeah, fine. No big.
Don't the pictures look great? I really needed to do this shoot because I have to add these items to my online store, and they just look so good. I can't hide them from the world forever, you know. So if you haven't been to my online store before, it is on Etsy, www.etsy.com at shop/Ghana style. Yeah, there's no more .com. So I just finished wrapping up the photo shoot, and my photographer is gone. Most of my models are gone. I think it went really well. Honestly, we started at 10, we're done by 12. We met our timeline, and I shot my pictures later today. So I'm excited.
Hi guys. Especially you guys want to know where to go. Like I cousin Gigi's. Say hi. Say hi, Maya.
So we're on our way to Tatiana's goddaughter's birthday. Gigi and their family of like family ties have been hanging out together for like the past 14 years.
I feel like I haven't seen him forever.
Oh, it's so cute. I miss you. You being good? On the table. Oh, there's food in the oven. Okay.
What's that?
Oh, this is cute.
So it's been a long day, you guys. Like, we did everything. We got the photo shoot done. Just kissed to the birthday party. Drove Miss Tati around. She's like Miss Daisy. And so I'm like beat. I think it's like 7:30. I'm already changed my clothes, put my hair up, and that's all I can do for today. And Phil's gonna be looking at me like, honey, I'm not cooking dinner. I'm not doing anything. I'm done. But I did get my pictures back already, so I'm gonna take a look at those and share those with you. And I hope you enjoyed that day. I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye.